Hi friends, in this session we will going to do the CRD analysis in Excel. This is the Excel CRD analysis program. You can see here. So in this session we will going to see 13 treatments and 2 replications. Okay, you can consider replication as a observation or plot. Okay, so in this design we considered 13 treatments and 2 replications or 2 plots each treatment, or just 2 observation for each treatment. But in this design it's equal, means not for T1 having 2 observations, T2 having 3 or 4 observations, like that. It falls under the unequal number of replications, and now this is the equal number of replications. What you need to do, you can write the character name here. Just click here mouse and write the character name, for example plant height. Okay, so you can put the data of plant height over here. Just you need to change these red color values as per your research data, and you will get the grand total, then treatment total, treatment average called as just mean. So you will get the replication, but we are not considering any type of replication here in CRD design, so that not need to calculate this as well, but I gave one in my design. Okay, so very important in this design, ANOVA table. In that, very important source of variation. Okay, so here is the treatment is only the source of variation, because we don't consider replication in CRD design, so that we have only the source of variation as a treatments here. So degrees of freedoms are here, for error degrees of freedoms are here, and the total degrees of freedoms are here. Then we need to calculate the sum of square for this treatment, then sum of square for error, and total sum of square, then mean sum of square. It's a simple one to calculate with the help of formula. You can see here the formula, sum of square divided by the degrees of freedom. It's simple to calculate, mean sum of square. Then we need to calculate the F calculated value. Then we will obtain the F table value for 5%. Then we have the significance. It's very important whether these treatments are significant or non-significant. Okay, that's why I put it column here as a significance. You can check here. Then you will get the F table value for 1% as well, and significance for 1% as well. Very important, below table you will get the CB value, then standard error mean value, standard error difference value. Here you can see CD value at 5% and CD value at 1%. But if your treatments are non-significant, then not need to calculate the CD value and not need to go further to do the post hoc analysis in this result. Okay, if your treatments are non-significant, if your treatments are significant, then you should have to do the post hoc analysis. In that you can choose the different types of analysis, and mostly the agriculture research student use the CD comparison table or CD bar diagram. Okay, if you want to learn about this, then definitely I'll make the different videos on that, how to make the bar diagram and how to do the post hoc analysis after the analysis of your design, any type of design. For example, your CRD, RBD, factorial CRD, factorial RBD, Latin square, or in any design, then you need to do the post hoc analysis to obtain the individual results. So that if you want the information about this, then definitely ask me in the comment box. I will definitely make the video on that, how to do the post hoc analysis, and if there is any software or any program or any our Excel sheet available, then definitely I will let you know. Okay, and if you want this type of Excel sheet, then definitely you can contact me. I'll put my WhatsApp number in the description box, and definitely you can click on that and just contact me. I'll give you the pricing for this, and we make the customized Excel analysis programs. If you have the different treatments and many observations, so you can ask me, then definitely I'll make one program for you and I'll send you, but it's paid service. Okay, if you want, then definitely contact me. I'll share the detail file, and definitely I'll give you the soft copy, so that if anything you want to modify in that, then you can definitely do the modification, because this is the real time result operating system. For example, if you want to change any value, for example I want to make it a 400, so that you just put here the 400 and hit the enter, so it will reflects in all the remaining tables automatically. Okay, so this is the final our thesis table, which we will going to use for our thesis table. We compiling all the tables in the thesis, where we can put this for the plant height and other parameters. Also you have the number of branches or number of anything, whatever character you selected for your research, then definitely you can make the tables from this. Okay, so below that you will get the graphical data representation as well. In graphical data representation, you want to only modify the name, whatever character you chosen, you just give the name for that character, and for axis you need to put the titles. For this axis you will give the title for the treatments, whatever treatment you chosen, you just give the title over here, and against with what character you have chosen with the if you chosen the plant height, then definitely you can put here the plant height. In bracket you should have to mention the unit of that particular character, so that it's easy to understand. Okay, for example in plant height you can mention in the centimeter or in a inch, or whatever unit you decided in your outline of research work, then definitely you can put that one. Okay, if any doubt regarding this or how to do the data analysis in the Excel, any doubt is there, then definitely ask me. If you want this sheet, then definitely contact me. You will get my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video, so you can easily do, just need to paste here data. Okay, not need to change anything over here, and just you need to copy the final thesis table and compile with the other characters. Okay, thank you so much for watching.